Here we are in Mopac or something like that. That's called Mopac. And this is a beautiful campsite here. We just stayed tonight. It's kind of chilly. It's been raining. Not too bad, but just, you know, Jonathan right there. We have the bikes ready to go. We're gonna go to Uppbeat first. It's going to be 15 miles. And after that, we'll go to Berwick up on Tweed, which is like 45 miles more, something like that. 40 miles, actually. 38, yeah. 38, so total will be around what, Jonathan? 53 miles today, and then tomorrow we'll be heading from Berwick upon Tweed to Edinburgh. All right, we're set to go. Listen to those birds chirping. If I on the previous video, the W is not pronounced. That's what I learned right now. So it's Anik and Berk. So that's where we're going. First to Anik and then Berk. We're going through uphill right now, so I better stop filming. Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful road in the middle of a rural area here in Uppbeat. Look, hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Adios, amigos. Here we are, Uppbeat. We are on our way to Berwick. I finally learned how to say the name of these places. Everybody's relaxing here, the doggies. We just bought a couple sandwiches and Subway right there. We got the bikes there. They're tied up, so we had a very tough, very rough 15 miles because there were so many hills coming from Uppbeat, from the campsite here. There were like, some of them were like 12% consistent uphill for like a couple miles. You know, there were a few like that were tough. Yesterday we also had to do a lot of climbing, so we're okay right now. Jonathan is opening his cookies there. I'm gonna have my cookies too. Let's got this. 3 cookies. There we go. Next stop, Berwick. Oh, Berwick. So we're here in Uppbeat, and we thought we weren't going to see the castle, and all of a sudden, you know, we're way out. Here it is. It's really cool. Look at that. It's now a nicer for sure. Yeah, the sun is out. It's good for us. Next will be Berwick. 38 miles from here. Wow, it is a perfect castle, Jonathan. Look at that. Uppbeat. Perfect way to protect the city, huh? We're lucky. see the ocean right across the end. Beautiful place. Just living out. Onik. Beautiful town. Heading to Perak. Still have several miles to go today. We're just 27 miles away from Perak. This is, we're close to the ocean. There's some windmills there. That's me and Johnny. Everything is doing well. We're feeling well. So Diana just called, checking in. Yep, some bumps. And there we go. The day is nice. It's sunny. At the beginning it was rainy and cold. Now it's sunny and nice. Perfect weather actually. See you soon, Perak. So we're basically navigating through the National Cycling Network #1. That's nice. Look where we are. We just came down from that hill. It was really cool. This day became an amazing, beautiful day. Let's keep pedaling. Ooh, we just went. I'm still catching my breath. We just went through a climb there. It was like 15%. But look at this beauty.
Look at that.
Now we're being rewarded. I don't know what that is. I think, isn't that the tower of, what's her name?
Rapunzel?
Rapunzel. Jonathan, look for your Rapunzel. She's waiting for you.
Now we need a rope to climb and see.
She can throw her hair.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, ask her. There we go. Leave you with this view. Look at that. That's the shore. Right there. Whoa! This is worthwhile. Some people walking there. The shoreline. A couple hills. And we keep pedaling. Oh. Look. Beautiful tunnel. We're going uphill. I'm forgetting that I'm going uphill actually. This climb supposedly is 17%. Ah, that's kind of scary. But we'll see what happens. Jonathan, are you ready?
I guess I am.
Let's do it. National Cycling Network 1. The lambs. Look at those babies there. Goodness, they're cute. I just swallow a bog. Boom. People walking here too. So you have to be kind and careful. Hello. The ocean is right there. Beautiful ocean. worthwhile. Every pedal, every moment worthwhile. Even if it is cloudy, the view is beautiful. Going fast here. There is a sharp turn.